Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. Gala Games is pumping massively at current time, and we can see it's up over 12% on the 24-hour time frame and up against Bitcoin by a whopping 12%. I hope you're all doing well, guys. If you're new to the channel, slap that subscribe button. So it's pumping. Is it due to speculation, or is it to do with something bigger? Because they have had a massive acquisition just recently, which I think has had a very positive effect on the price. And we can see here, there is a tweet from Gala Games saying probably nothing, and it says over here, we just bought a mobile game studio with over 20 million users. We aren't screwing around, guys. Well, holy smokes, this is bullish news here for Gala Games. And I think, looking at the Gala Games ecosystem as well, they're also suggesting something crazy where they want to start burning 100% of the Gala used in purchases on the platform to help reduce the supply, which should have a positive effect on the overall price. You can see a few comments here, very, very mixed opinions. Some people say, what does that equal to be? 1% or 2% of the total supply? Doesn't seem like much burn. Well, that's because at the moment we're not seeing massive amounts of volume because we're still in a bear market. Another guy said, this doesn't seem like a great long-term strategy if you have a fixed supply token. Sure, you can start dealing with fractions, but this isn't great UX when it's entirely avoidable. I see the short-term gain. Users get a token pump. What is the end game? Probably a larger pump, or an increased floor price or something like that. If the supply is coming down, you can achieve an all-time high again with a lower market capital, if that makes sense. So it allows for more movement in price with less volume being shifted around, if that makes sense, I think. Anyway, maybe correct me if I'm wrong. Also, if you're new, guys, get yourself into the Discord channel down below. Perfect place to learn everything crypto related. And also, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to become a patron and support me, you can become a VIP holder, which helps you get early access to all the pre-sales and white listings, as well as all the inside info on upcoming pre-sales. So if you're a 10x hunter, do check out my Patreon down below. And I also have more budget-friendly options as well for people that just want to support the channel, have a few benefits, but just maybe not as many as the bigger packages. You're also going to get a free ebook, entries on giveaways. There's going to be a giveaway tomorrow, by the way, and you're going to get many other things like spot trading signals, etc., etc. So check out my Patreon. It's a really good thing to do. Might make some money, or you might not. Who knows? Please do anyway. Have a look. So let's have a look at Gala. We can see at the moment, Gala is severely undervalued in contrast to its previous all-time high, and we can immediately see how far this particular coin is down, and it's quite a lot. It's down 97%, and moves like today feel very euphoric. Yep, holders back from November 2021 are massively down on their portfolio, and I really have a question mark as to whether we'll ever see a recovery in terms of the price. Now, if you are a holder that really did get screwed over at the top there, then it's hard to decide what to do. Do you dollar cost average in and bring down your average unit cost, or do you just completely disconnect and detach from Gala Games? It's really, really difficult. I can't imagine being in that particular position, but we can see Gala Games recently it basically lost support, lost price structure. Ouch, it's not nice, is it? Of this support trend line, pardon me, at roughly 0.03, it bottomed out around 0.015, and from this particular level, it looks like we are now printing a green weekly candle. From the Bollinger Band's point of view, if we go to the daily time frame and bring up the volume, we can see we've got a massive volume candle, most likely to do with those tweets, but we are looking a little bit overextended on the Bollinger Band here. We're touching that top trend line, which could reflect a lot of buying pressure, a bit too euphoric. And we look at the RSI as well. We can see, if I just quickly take away the volume here, we can see, to be honest, it's not actually overbought, so you could still see more continuation to the upside. I would like to see a retest on that 20-day moving average. Fibonacci retracement here suggests that we could still see a bit of a pullback to about 17 cents. If we move to our 4-hour time frame, we'll get a bit more information there, as we see we are overextended on the Bollinger Band. So I would personally be looking for maybe a little bit of a bearish divergence to form here on the RSI and the price structure. And I think, these green candles, whilst they look great, it's never a good idea to chase the green candles, because it looks like we are starting to form maybe a bit of a bearish divergence as we print lower highs on the price structure and a higher high on the RSI itself. So let's see what can happen here. It does look like a bull flag, so it's all speculation still. We can't predict the future. We can see we are concisely joining up these resistances, and we're also getting some nice kind of structure here. So we could potentially see a bull pennant, a pump following this, and if we did, it would look really, really good, but it's hard to say what's going to happen. So what's going on right now? We're seeing lower highs on the RSI, we're seeing lower highs on the price structure, so that is not a bearish divergence actually. We just got to hold the support really at 0.02. If we can break through the resistance here at 0.02, I think we might see something quite exciting here for Gala Games. Maybe it's even possible to take another leg up here, take the width of this. Could we see another pump for Gala Games up to around 0.02167? I think it's very, very possible. Now, if you like Gala Games, you're probably a gamer yourself, or you like play to earn tokens and things like that. So I thought I'd plug you to some awesome pre-sale. It's called Cavalry. It's a play to earn battle game. So far, we can see in this awesome card game, they've raised $2.68 million. So do check it out, guys. They're in stage 5 of the pre-sale. They are set to launch on the 31st of January, which is very, very soon. So if you are a bit bored of the conditions of the blockchain markets and you're trying to hunt a coin that could potentially explode upon listing, Cavaria is another one that could do really, really well. Major support. Speculation that they might launch on KuCoin and other crazier centralized exchanges. I'm sure we'll see them on LBank and some others. But yeah, graphically, this looks really, really cool. I do like the Calvaria pre-sale, so have a look at that one down below. Do some research. Before you do leave, make sure you get yourself in the Discord down below. Loads of cool tabs here. And we've got the crypto pre-sales tab as well. There are 5 live pre-sales at the moment. Definitely worth taking a look at. Cavaria, 1 billion tokens of maximum supply. So we can see this one go beyond $1 in the peak of a bull market. And it's also got a very nice long-term roadmap and fully doxed, KYC'd, solid proof audited. But guys, always do your own research and due diligence. Check out the white papers for this token. It's really, really worthwhile doing a bit of research. And they have a light paper as well. So if you're feeling a bit lazy and you just want to go through some of the more general facts about this particular pre-sale, I mean, we can see Calvaria certainly destroys some of the other competitor play to earn battle card games out there like Gods Unchained. And looking at the tokenomics, 30% in pre-sale, we've got 25% going in the staking pool. Really, really bullish ecosystem. So let's see what happens here. Gala is trying to retest by the looks of it on this 0.02. Could go to the moon. And yeah, guys, come on. See you there. Come and say hi. Don't be shy. And you lovely people, you smash that subscribe button if you're new here. Take care of yourselves and stay blessed. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.